What's good, everybody? So, this gonna be another video on how to restore your headlights. This video is gonna be a little bit more in depth than just using one of the kits to restore your headlights that has just the wipes. This one, we're gonna actually be utilizing a drill, and this gonna be the mother's new lens kit, which comes with all of the attachments that you will need for your drill. The drill is going to give you more of a control in clearing up your headlights versus just using wipes. So if your headlights are a little bit too far gone, more than normal, then the next step would be to use something with drill attachments. Let's get started. So we added the attachment to the drill. Now what we're going to do is grab, according to the instructions, it says take the 800 grit sandpaper. So when you're using sandpaper, you go from 800 grit, then you're gonna step it up to a little bit of a finer to 1500 grit, and then 3000. Pro tip here: always make sure that you spray plenty of water because you can burn through your headlights. Just an FYI. So drill 800, and that's the back end. And I almost forgot. Definitely almost forgot. 800 is very coarse. 1500 becomes of more finer of a sandpaper, and just repeat the process. Now the more passes you do, the clearer the water is going to be coming off of the headlight. That's how you know you're removing the oxidation correctly. Alright, that was 3 passes with the 1500 grit. Now the instructions say to add the 3000 grit, but they say make sure that the surface is dry and don't wet it. And then we got to run the drill a little bit higher. Let me go grab a microfiber towel.
Yep.
I know what you're thinking. It looks worse than it did before. That's very normal. So now we're gonna run this 3000 grit. So now instructions say add the power drill ball and plastic polisher. What's up, boss man? So side note, what I did, I took this Armor Roll wipe that I was using on my car. Yes. So I was polishing my neighbor's headlight, and it looked like it's coming out pretty freaking good. You know, I don't know if it's something with that kit that I bought for him, or if this Armor Roll kit and the wipes are just that good. But that looks pretty damn good to me. Let's see how it looks when it dries. So in conclusion, as you guys see what I did, I took the Armor Roll wipe, one that I had left over from when I had did my own headlight, and I used it on my neighbor's headlight to see what was going on, and it actually helped. I'll drop a before and after using the Armor Roll wipe, which is after using the mother's kit. All in all, that Armor Roll wipe was something fierce. Now I know it's not gonna look like super clear because I just used a different brand of products before I used that one, but it definitely helped get some of that yellow out. So, I mean, 30 bucks versus 14 bucks, you know, you let me know what you think. And then not everybody has a drill either, so that's another thing to consider. Maybe like just, I don't know. Everything was good during the process. You know how it started looking real foggy and then it started clearing up a little bit more. That's actually normal as you polish your headlight using sandpaper. But it might have been something with that finishing polish at the end. I don't know, but the mother's kit gets a no from me. Y'all let me know what y'all think down in the comments if you made it this far. I appreciate you for taking some time out your day to watch my tutorial, which is now a partial review. And let me know your thoughts. I'll see you guys in the next video.